Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete VK accounts in few seconds. So it's very simple. You just have to open your VK app in your mobile. So I have already opened my VK account. So let's go to the home page, which is your profile page, and just go to three-line button which is in the top right corner. So now you can see the edit profile. Just click on this. Now you have to scroll down a bit and go to security here. After that, you just need to scroll down a bit to last, and here you can see delete VK ID account. So just tap on it and you can see here delete account. So you'll have 7 months to restore your account, and data will be deleted from all the services where you were logged in with VK ID. So thanks for watching this video. Please follow for more contents and do not forget to subscribe the channel.